Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on Ethereum. We will take a look at the 4-hour time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 4-hour in case maybe you are new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 4 hours. So while this here may look like a few weeks worth of time, it's actually just the past few days broken down into 4-hour time slices. I like to this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but, and not picking on Ethereum, obviously cryptos across the board are getting hammered right now. But the price is now starting to approach a very important level as far as the charts are concerned and Ethereum. So that's kind of the main focal point here that I want to point out here. And I realize cryptocurrencies are open 24/7. So really, even if you're watching this video, let's just say 12 hours from now, 18 hours from now, the big question you need to be asking yourself is, where does the price currently stand in regards to this level of the chart, which is a very important level of support right here at the $500 mark. If you go down memory lane with me here quickly, you can see back here after this very, very nice bounce upwards move, and then the pullback that acted as a level of support. The bears just could not press down below there. Fast forward and more recently, once again, the price got around this vicinity of the chart of 500. Bulls did a fantastic job of holding strong. And then once again, actually, I'll zoom back in now so you can see, since you saw where this green line is coming from. So you zoom back in again, and once more within the past several hours, the bears try to press down through there, but to give credit where credit's due, the bulls did do a good job of holding strong. So my point is this: if you're watching this 18 hours from now and the price is down below 500, well, just take that as a note that the bears are still in full control and just gaining that much more momentum. But if you're watching this, several hours from now and the price is still kind of just going sideways there, then I would consider that very bullish. Maybe you're thinking, geez, Clay, that you're setting the bar kind of low if you're just saying sideways price action is bullish. That's true, but let's keep things in context about what was just going on. And not that long ago, the price was absolutely just getting hammered. So yeah, any sort of even just sideways at price action, in my opinion at least, is just as good as any sort of upwards price action. So now in the event this does start to bounce, key level of resistance to keep an eye on is going to be the famous 50-period moving average, which is denoted there by that purple line. Keyword being moving, because I get it, that line's way up there. So that line will be moving itself downwards as time unfolds. But top priority in my mind right now is not necessarily breaking levels of resistance. It's all about, consolidating and trying to stop the bleeding here about, this current downwards move that, cryptos are all experiencing right now. So we'll see if 500 can once again serve as support, but there is a good track record of it acting as a strong area. So we'll see as the week plays out if that can continue to be the case or not. But yeah, very interesting setups right now across the board. So let's see how it all continues to play out. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.